I am Adriana Meese, and I'm in Teachers for Tomorrow. In my Teachers for Tomorrow class, I have learned that not every child is the same and that they all have different ways of learning and developing. The CTE classes help have more job opportunities later on in life and after school because you learn the new skills and what you need to know.
So when I graduate high school, I want to renovate houses, and this class has helped me develop the skills needed to get into real estate and renovation. At first, I had to convince my parents that taking this class would have given me better job opportunities as soon as I got out of high school, I could go and immediately work on a job and have the skills I needed.
All right, my name is Isabella Rousseau. I'm in Culinary 2 class. In this culinary class, I was able to go to a culinary immersion program and I got to try amazing foods from Chicago. After I graduate, I'm planning on using everything that I've learned here and taking it to a culinary college and experiencing more high-function kitchen skills.
Coming to this class, it did help me sharpen my skills. It helped me be able to use the tools more professionally. I learned a lot more than what I already did. You're hands-on, you ain't just watching videos, your teacher's talking to you, working with you. One of the opportunities you could get from enrolling in this class is going outside on a real construction site and seeing what they really do out there.
I'm here at Pharmacy Tech DE. Besides this class, I've taken one other CTE class, and that was finance. In that class, I was allowed an opportunity to help an actual business with an issue that they were facing, and we were to give our own creative input on what they should do.
My name is Malia Dixon. I'm currently taking the class Sports Medicine. The CTE programs and the classes that they have here, they're really hands-on, and they teach us more about different career opportunities than the core classes do. And I really think that that's something that high school students need.
I'm kind of the same way, but for me, I mostly like the teachers and how they are actually hands-on with their students and actually care about the different career aspects that they want to do. I suggest taking many CTA classes because you might not know if you really want to be in nursing, so it's good to take the class to see if you really love the career that you want to go into.
I really enjoyed the forestry class in CTE or in high school. It related to what I wanted to do when I got out of school. You should think about taking your CTE classes mainly if you're interested in them, because that's whatever class you take in high school are kind of gonna carry you through to college, and what you're interested in is what you're gonna do the best at. So these classes in high school you take are gonna open your doors in college. You won't waste time in college. You can go ahead and get started on your major, know what you wanna do when you get out, and then all this will end up helping you in your career also.
I took the CTA IT Academy through the CTA program, which is in high school. I currently work at the Boydton Data Center for Microsoft. I met prerequisites in the program in which I didn't have to pay anything at all taking it through high school. As long as I met those prerequisites, the course fee was completely waived and I was completely debt-free. The courses here taught me how to tackle issues that I face at work.
I took the animal science classes at Halifax County High School, and that propelled me to go into a career of teaching, and I'm teaching at Franklin County High School, and I'm teaching some of the agriculture courses there. If you're thinking about taking a CTE course, you definitely should. It's a great pathway to a career. Our classroom was, a barn, so it was a lot different than the normal classroom and classroom experience that you'd have in English or math.
I work at Lewis Metal Works because I completed the CTE welding program. Through the CTE training welding program, I completed levels 1, 2, and 3 of welding. Upon completing the CTE program, I feel more confident and able to do what I want to do in life.
I took the welding program from Halifax County High School, and I work at Comfort Systems USA Mid-Atlantic. I learned stick welding, MIG welding, basic beveling out material, putting down landing on our material, and all the stuff you could think about with welding. The CTE classes was get us more hands-on, kind of open up doors to our future. They kind of taught me everything I need to know, and I'm still learning stuff to this day.
When I was in high school, I took a forestry class, and then I also took a hybrid forestry agriculture class. When I started taking forestry classes in college, I was already ahead of the game because a lot of the things that we were learning, I'd already learned in high school in my forestry classes, and just made taking that step into college a lot easier. If you take these classes and learn these skills in high school, there are a lot of opportunities, a lot of careers that you can get right out of high school making a good living.